Hey everyone, it's Maibu here. Just giving you an update on what's going on. As you can see, there is snow all over the ground. And I got Molo going. I figure, well, let's see how he runs on a cold start. I didn't bother recording and I forgot my phone, but oh well. Molo's running pretty good. Oh, he's got trash in front of him right now, but oh well. Yeah, snow day for all the kids and everyone. But now let me bring Molo out here and show you how he sounds when it's winter time. Sounds pretty good. I also discovered he has dual exhaust, one on this side, one on the other. I didn't know that, but that was pretty neat to find out. But yeah, as you can see, all frozen. Ice. Uh-oh. There you go. Thought the door was frozen up again. Oh. But here we are. Molo's doing okay. He's running under there. Still got that exhaust leak. I haven't done much since ripping all the stuff out and putting the toolbox. And also, I did the roof up there. Yeah, I left the old wood because see all these wires up here? I would have had to remove all the wires just to get the wood out, and I'm like, I don't want to do that. So I just went ahead and went over the top of it with a new layer of wood, and then I put the rubber roof on. I'll show you here. There's part of it right here. I don't have the vents in yet. I didn't cut the holes because I want to get new vents. I haven't done that yet, so hopefully in the spring I'll start accumulating more money to put more into this project. So basically until then this project is going to be on hold. So those of you that are watching, bear in mind that you know, I gotta earn money just to keep doing this project, and I don't make much money in the wintertime when the asphalt plant is closed. That's what I do. I pave asphalt. But yeah, just giving you a quick update to show you how myself and I got caught on the door here. Just giving you an update to show you how Molo and myself are doing. But yeah. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. Take care. Cheers.